Okay, so what we have here is a B&K Precision 1570A. It's a 4-tray scope. Two of them are on channels 1 and 2 are variable vertically with divisions of gain, and the other two are fixed at about 1 volt, I think. All of them work. All the channels are working, but we have problems. The unit was shipped to me, wasn't packaged properly, and somewhere in the delivery process it got dropped, so the horizontal range control for sweep rate lost the knob. It got cracked. The front of the case was pushed in. It didn't work at all when I first got it. Wound up getting my money back, and the guy didn't want to have it shipped back, and I was going to scrap the thing, and I thought, let's give it a try. So I opened up everything, took the front panel off, beat out the dents as much as I could, lined everything back up again, cleaned the switches that I could get to, and then put her back together and tried her out. So we've got what we got here. So we do have some control over ranges. We have a here's channel 2. Channel 2 seems to work without a problem. Not just about every range. Channel 1 has a little bit of a problem in that 50 millivolts seems to be bad, and so does 5.5. Yeah, 0.5 is dead. And I wouldn't be surprised to find out that 5 volts itself is kind of bad. So there is something wrong in the volts per division knob of the channel 1, and it may be that you fix that and a large chunk of the problem just goes away. I went ahead and I put a pipe clamp, attached it to the horizontal sweep, so I can change the sweep, as you can see. Okay, so we've got all 4 channels hooked up. Channel 1 is at the top. You can see it go up and down here as I vary the knob. Channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4. And there we go with channel 1 and 2 being fed the input from a audio generator up above. And we can see that we can change the time base. Check the time base out. It seems to be accurate. We are getting some kind of artifact noise on channel A and B, and I've got to believe that it's got something to do with the fact that on channel 1 there's something wrong in the 5s circuit. I don't know if we've got a part that's come loose, been broken, or touching something else, and we're getting artifacts. But if I avoid that particular range, then I seem to get pretty decent results. So at this price, you've either got a very good part source, because most of this is obviously working, and if you'd like, you could also go ahead and turn it into a project to make it back into a decently working oscilloscope. So